Hi, Pinellas County. These are the cats that are available for adoption at Pinellas County Animal Services, and I'm in the hospital of Pinellas County Animal Services because our cat adoption area is full. So now I'm in medical, and these are the kitties that are waiting for adoption space. So I want to show you what we have in the back in medical for adoptions, and you have your choice. You can either adopt these kitties or you can adopt the kitties in adoption area, but please, it's June. We are raining cats. We're not raining cats and dogs. We are raining cats and kittens. So I've got 10 kittens to show you. So here's the first one hiding behind his litter box. 315190. The next kitty for adoption, now this one's a beauty, P 554801. 2 years old, available for adoption. P 554633, 1 year of age. Let's open up the kennel. Oh, you have to see this kitty's face. Yeah. In the litter box, I guess for security. Here's another white kitty for adoption. Kitty 315223. Oh, this kitty might possibly be deaf, 3 years of age. Turning around, P554867, a gray cat, 7 years old. A 2-year-old cat, nice markings. 554653. A bunch of kitties. Look, there's 3 in here. 55, 51, 60, 61, and 62. $55, 51, 71, 8 months old, black and white. 55, 46, 83, 1 year, orange and white. Nope, that kitty isn't available. That kitty has diarrhea. 55, 50, 73. Here's a black kitty, 8 months, with white markings on his nose. So these are the 10 cats and kittens that are available at Pinellas County Animal Services in the medical department. So please, we're raining cats. We're raining kittens. We really need your support. Please come and adopt a cat or a kitten. The next video I'm going to do are all of the cats that are in the hospital with upper respiratory. The next video will show cats that need to go into foster care, or they can be adopted, and we will gladly send you home with meds. Thank you.